Volvo Trucks stands as one of the world's leading manufacturers of heavy-duty commercial vehicles, producing over 100,000 trucks annually across multiple continents. To understand how Volvo achieves this remarkable production capacity, we need to explore the company's sophisticated manufacturing strategy, which combines advanced technology, strategic facility placement, and lean production principles. Founded in 1928, Volvo has spent nearly a century perfecting the art of truck manufacturing, evolving from a small Swedish operation into a global powerhouse with facilities in Europe, Asia, North America, and South America. The company operates major manufacturing plants in Sweden, the United States, Brazil, and India, each specializing in different aspects of truck production while maintaining consistent quality standards. This global presence allows Volvo to serve regional markets efficiently while maintaining economies of scale. Sweden remains the technological hub where Volvo develops new technologies and designs, while the Virginia facility in the United States serves the North American market. Brazil produces trucks for South America, and India focuses on the Asian market. Volvo's strategic facility placement ensures quick response to market demands, reduced transportation costs, and compliance with local regulations. The company's success isn't accidental, it's the result of deliberate strategic planning and continuous innovation. Understanding Volvo's manufacturing approach provides valuable insights into how large industrial enterprises manage complex global operations. From initial design phases to final assembly and quality control, Volvo's process is methodical and data-driven. The company invests heavily in research and development to stay ahead of industry trends, including electrification and autonomous driving technologies. By examining Volvo's manufacturing strategy, we can appreciate the intricate coordination required to produce world-class commercial vehicles at scale. At the heart of Volvo's manufacturing excellence lies the adoption of lean manufacturing principles combined with advanced automation and robotics that significantly enhance production capacity, consistency, and worker safety. Lean manufacturing, originating from Toyota's production system, emphasizes eliminating waste, just-in-time inventory management, and continuous improvement through employee involvement. Volvo implemented these principles across all facilities, training workers to identify inefficiencies and contribute ideas for improvement. The company uses value stream mapping to analyze every step of production and eliminate non-value-adding activities, while just-in-time inventory management coordinates with suppliers to deliver components exactly when needed. This requires sophisticated supply chain management and advanced scheduling systems that predict component needs with precision. Modern Volvo facilities feature sophisticated robotic systems that handle repetitive, heavy, or dangerous tasks, freeing human workers to focus on complex assembly, quality control, and problem-solving. Welding, painting, and heavy component handling are largely automated, while final assembly, quality inspection, and troubleshooting remain primarily human functions, creating a productive partnership between robots and workers. Volvo balances automation with human expertise, recognizing that certain tasks require human judgment and dexterity. Modern Volvo facilities feature flexible manufacturing systems that can switch between different truck models with relatively minor adjustments, allowing efficient small-batch customization. The company continuously measures performance through key performance indicators, such as production efficiency, defect rates, and worker safety metrics. This balance between automation and flexibility, combined with lean principles, has enabled Volvo to reduce production costs, improve quality, and respond faster to market changes than many competitors. Quality control and customization represent critical differentiators in Volvo's manufacturing strategy, enabling the company to produce thousands of trucks with diverse configurations while maintaining industry-leading reliability standards. Rather than treating quality as something checked at the end of production, Volvo builds quality into every step, following the principle of doing it right the first time. Every worker on the production line is responsible for maintaining quality standards and has the authority to stop production if they identify defects. Volvo implements rigorous inspection protocols at multiple stages. Incoming component inspection ensures suppliers meet specifications, in-process inspections monitor assembly quality, and final inspections verify that completed trucks meet all standards before delivery. The company uses advanced inspection technologies, including computer vision systems that detect microscopic defects and sophisticated testing equipment that simulates real-world operating conditions. Every truck is subjected to extended testing, including engine endurance tests, brake system validation, and electrical system verification before delivery. Unlike consumer vehicle manufacturing, commercial vehicle customers demand extensive customization. Different engine options, transmission choices, cabin configurations, and specialized equipment depending on intended application. Volvo's manufacturing system accommodates this complexity through modular production architectures, where major components are standardized but can be assembled in numerous combinations. Production scheduling systems account for customization requirements, ensuring that specific components for each truck are available when needed. Workers receive detailed configuration information displayed on digital screens, guiding them through the specific assembly sequence required. The company uses modular component design to simplify assembly, with larger subsystems pre-assembled before integration into final trucks. This balance between standardization and customization is crucial for Volvo's competitiveness in serving diverse global markets while maintaining production efficiency. Volvo's supply chain management and sustainability initiatives are increasingly central to the company's manufacturing strategy, reflecting both competitive necessity and commitment to environmental responsibility. The company manages an incredibly complex supply chain involving thousands of suppliers worldwide, coordinating deliveries across multiple production facilities while adapting to fluctuating demand. Volvo categorizes suppliers into strategic partners with long-term relationships and deep integration, and standard suppliers providing commodity components. The company implements supplier scorecards tracking quality, delivery performance, cost, and innovation contribution, while providing technical support and training to help suppliers improve operations. Advanced demand planning systems forecast production needs months in advance, giving suppliers visibility into expected orders. Just-in-time delivery is coordinated through sophisticated logistics networks, often utilizing dedicated transportation services that deliver components directly to assembly lines. Supply chain resilience is prioritized through strategic inventory buffers for critical components and supplier-based diversification. Volvo has committed to achieving carbon-neutral production across all facilities by 2030, requiring substantial investments in renewable energy and process improvements. The company is transitioning production facilities to utilize renewable electricity sources and is redesigning manufacturing processes to reduce energy consumption, water usage, and waste generation. Advances in painting technology reduce volatile organic compound emissions and waste coating material. Waste reduction programs systematically identify and eliminate unnecessary materials, while recycling programs recover valuable metals and reduce landfill waste. Perhaps most significantly, Volvo is transitioning truck production toward electric and alternative fuel vehicles, requiring fundamental manufacturing process changes and investments in battery assembly capabilities. This shift reflects the industry's transformation toward lower-emission transportation solutions and positions Volvo as a leader in sustainable manufacturing. Worker safety, development, and engagement are fundamental priorities in Volvo's manufacturing culture, reflecting the belief that safe, motivated workers are essential to manufacturing excellence. Volvo operates in industrial environments with inherent hazards, and the company implements comprehensive safety management systems that identify hazards, establish control measures, and continuously monitor safety performance. Every facility maintains detailed safety records and conducts regular audits verifying compliance with safety standards. Workers receive extensive safety training when hired and participate in ongoing refresher training to maintain hazard awareness. Safety committees with worker representation meet regularly to review incidents and recommend improvements, while near-miss reporting is actively encouraged and reviewed. The company invests in safety equipment and facility designs that minimize risks through ergonomic workstations, personal protective equipment, and guarding on machinery. Volvo measures safety performance through key metrics, including injury rates and near-miss frequencies, setting continuous improvement targets. Importantly, safety is connected to worker development and career advancement, with the company providing opportunities for skill development and advancement into supervisory positions. Volvo recognizes that worker retention is valuable, reducing training costs and maintaining institutional knowledge. The company offers competitive compensation, benefits, and working conditions to attract and retain talented workers. This investment in workers reflects the understanding that manufacturing excellence is ultimately built on engaged, knowledgeable, and motivated people who contribute continuously to improving operations. Worker development programs create career pathways that encourage experienced workers to take on increasingly complex responsibilities, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and innovation throughout the organization. Looking forward, Volvo's manufacturing strategy is evolving to address the commercial vehicle industry's transformation toward electrification, autonomous technologies, and digital connectivity. The company is investing heavily in electric vehicle manufacturing capacity, establishing new facilities, and converting existing plants to produce battery electric trucks. This transition requires new skills, different supply chains for battery components, and adapted production processes, challenges Volvo is systematically addressing through research, partnerships, and facility investments. Advanced autonomous and semi-autonomous vehicle technologies are being integrated into manufacturing strategy, with Volvo developing trucks capable of increasingly automated operation. These technologies require new components, different testing protocols, and integration with sophisticated software systems. Digital connectivity is becoming standard in Volvo Trucks, requiring manufacturing processes that integrate sophisticated electronics and software, a shift from traditional mechanical manufacturing. Industry 4.0 concepts, utilizing artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and Internet of Things technologies, are being implemented across Volvo facilities to enhance efficiency and predictive capabilities. The company uses artificial intelligence to optimize production scheduling, predict maintenance needs on manufacturing equipment, and identify quality issues before they become problems. Volvo's long-term manufacturing strategy reflects the understanding that the commercial vehicle industry is undergoing fundamental transformation, and the company is positioning itself to lead through innovation, investment, and adaptation. The thousands of trucks Volvo produces annually represent the culmination of decades of manufacturing excellence, engineering expertise, and operational discipline. By combining efficiency with sustainability, quality with flexibility, and technology with human expertise, Volvo demonstrates a holistic approach to manufacturing that positions the company well for continued success in producing the commercial vehicles that transport goods across the world.